How to go live on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to go live on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on the plus icon beside those three lines up there. And all you need to do is click on live, which is the last option. Now, like you see, you can add filters before you go live. There's a lot of filters. And also you can add time or like text and anything. Now to like start live, click on this button and you will start live on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.